Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So what we're going to do here is we're going to build a nice Thomas Friends train track. So we've got a few of the tracks out today. We haven't got them all, but we've just got a few boxes there. Got quite a few trains to be fair though. Wow, look at that one. They've been excited to get this one built. So we're going to get it all built up and then we'll film it going round, show you. Don't know whether this is going to be a big one yet. If it is, we may need to get some more tracks down. We've got some straights in there. We've got stations, more stations, bridges and things. We've got the full works. There's some more over in there too. So let's get to it. Let's get building. So here we have the final one. We built it. Look at that. We've got Percy going round. We've got Thomas. We have Duck. And we even have Nia as well. And they're all the 80th anniversary editions. Knapford Station there. There's Duck. There we have Nia. And there we have Percy. Look at that. So we've got a nice bridge over here. Got a bridge there. Got some cranes going on. Buildings, construction buildings. Do you reckon there's Ray? Look at that. Oh, it's turning him off. He's still going round. We got Thomas. Super fast. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked the video. Hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned for more videos.